Ekuthula bandleni. Ufala kagama. Welcome to Mozart Music. A platform where we react to Zara music, ucula ukwaba. Salama lyrics to try to break down the meaning behind my lyrics. I understand that we give positive feedback, inspiration. Basically, it's a non-toxic Zion channel. You know how it is, man. What's up, world? It's a beautiful Friday. Yes. So Lalali River today, so Lalali River. And I might upload again later on today. Well, I will upload later on today because hey, I'm about that drop your song. You understand? So yeah. Last week ngale inkathi lezi sonto beseliqalile. Abantu basabashaba hlo musical. Nkose. Lapha nemvumo lapha ya. What's up, bro? Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, please. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Hey guys, one thing about me, I'm one of my cars. Once nje kwabanda nje, ngasa nje uboya obandayo. Nambata, same time. And please, also don't forget to give me recommendations. Come on, guys, man. I'm a record. Yabona ngathi ke namhlanje it's still the same place like River. So we are reacting to River of Mercy Ministries. No, I'm excited because now I don't struggle ukufunda. So without wasting you guys' time, start right into it. River, no, River, no, River, no, guys, no, River, never. I just press play. I have just pressed play. You'll okay, Stella, calm down. Guys, hey, it's been years, it's been ages. To my English viewers, people from India, the song basically talks about praying. It says in private, that's where I tell God all my problems, and He's always with me. In private, it will remind you. Yes, guys, in Soba shocked, but anyway, it reminds me of a scripture. And it's weird, man. Like it as of late, angas. It's weird. It reminds me of a scripture of a woman who her husband owed people money, and the husband died, and then Umashonisa came wanting the daughter because the husband could not pay. So the husband comes and tells this woman, is like, yo, bro, your husband owed me so and so and so and so and so. And since your husband is failing, I want your daughter. Imagine as a mother, somebody comes and tell you that. In this modern day that we live in. Akubukela iPP anyway, uncle up. And then this woman is like, no, you can't. You can't just take my daughter, bro. Like, you understand? And I don't know how. Fast forward, Jesus appears somewhere, somehow, or this lady goes to something. Something happens, right? And then this lady gets told that when we're in Fishlagalwe, and close the door behind you and pray, right? So the lady did that. The lady closed the door behind her, and prayed. And out of the blue, she had a small container. And out of nowhere, the container, uh, she started getting oil. I don't know what type of oil it is, but they said oil. Now she started filling up every compartment that she can find in the house. But there was just too much supply of oil. And then when she got the oil, she asked, "What's she gonna do?" And then the answer was, "Start selling it so that you can pay off the guy." Basically, some things you just cannot do in front of Pamgwabantu. Period. You just can't. But we live in a world that just showcases everything. Imsamo yabantu manje yonke le nto, yabona into esibheke eceleni. But when you listen to the song, it says in secret, you can't talk to God kunomsindo. You can't, even in your own life, you can't do that. But in privacy, audio. I'm only guessing with that lady. As in, God, it's just the way I could describe you. You know, Lo Soprano. I don't know her name, but it's cut myself learn the name. Lo Soprano, and she has big eyes, very short. That has to be her. Our first party could be somebody else. Our first part could be that other light skin girl. Yeah, she's younger than me. Yeah, girl. Yes. It's my time to say to Mazan, I'm fine. Yeah, but that light skin girl, I think it's her. Oh, if it's it has to be her. If not, it's the other one. Makanya nje bayigroup nje my 6 nyana nje, but mina ngazi 3 or 4. And then definitely Lowe Becca is so proud. It has to be her. It has to be there. There's no one who sounds like that. We are one. And I love her for that. And you can say whatever you wanna sing in River. You wanna River. I want the statements of Sishi Long and Amanda was painted. Eliminate the competition and jealousy in churches. You will find the best of abilities of everyone. Yegela. Yegela. Our river of mercy, show me some. Hey, oh man, that's the flow. Here we are cruising nicely. Like ngiyafisa ukuhlangana nalo sisi lo wesoprano waseriver. Ngike ngimhlalise phansi ke ngithi my love, how do you do that? I just ask, how do you do that? I want to let sitting arrangement yokuthi choir ihlala yodwa. That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen since ngicale platform. And I gosh, Sfuto on point, bass is on point, Itena is on point, alto is on point, leader is on point, back and the first party on point, and we are bezwa. Like this is huge. But I'm a voice all about sisi laba base river. I'm a voice about humongous. They feel bafana namanzi. Yabona ayamanzi bafana ne-river. Ungabona i-river noma uvale iminyango still amanzi ayangena. That's them. They fill up the space. And you take amanzi from wherever, you put them in anything, the water becomes dead. It's river's voices. Put them in any space, they will fill up the room. That's river for you. Yeah. That is a river for you. Put these people anywhere. I don't care how big or small it is. Yay! The sad part about all of this is that the video is so damn short. And I'm sure Umchita or whoever was recording it didn't realize what Mhlamba Kasana space. Eish. And you can tell Uguti they tear that song up. By you put here, they killed it. River Buffett. I mean, angisazi mina. I don't know no more. I mean, angisazi. But I know. I definitely must know we are going to get more videos from me River. I mean, listen, man, it's a good drop here, guys. It's too much. It's a lot. And I'm here for all the smoke. So, hey, yo, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, And please don't forget to give me a recommendation. And Sammy and Amanje, ngisacela ningiphe isonto where there's females about full time. Please give me that. Please, yo, please. I'm still waiting for that. So, yo, in the favorite way of Jupiter, have a blessed Friday. Adios.